From the heart of Africa, we rose to the challenge. We stood together, giving an hour for Earth in ways as diverse as our land. From the savannas to the city streets, from our rivers to our mountains, we gave back to the planet that sustains us. We planted, we protected, we restored. We danced, we cycled, we lit up the night with purpose. Each action, big or small, carried the heartbeat of a continent that understands the power of unity.
Give an hour for Earth!
On March 22nd, Africa joined the world for the biggest hour for Earth. We did what we love, while giving back to the planet we love. Because of you, because of us all, we contributed to a global movement that saw 3 million hours dedicated to protecting our planet.
Give hour for Earth!
Thank you.
Congo missing.
Nalitumela.
Asante.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Africa, for showing the world what it means to give. Thank you for giving an hour for Earth.